Hi guys, welcome to Chanakya Academy online tutorials. Myself Kailash Vilegave. In the last video, we have seen about the nervous system of different animals, especially that is invertebrates, and also we have discussed about the nervous system of cockroach. In this video, we are discussing about human nervous system, what it includes. All these things we will discuss here only. So this human nervous system consists of two parts, that is first CNS, that is central nervous system, second part that is PNS, peripheral nervous system. This CNS part having two main subparts, or it includes, CNS includes first that is brain, second spinal cord, and in peripheral nervous system it is again having two parts, that is first somatic nervous system and second autonomous nervous system. Before going toward this somatic and autonomous nervous system, we will see what is this PNS. PNS, it includes all types of nerves. Nerves are of two types, mainly all the nerves which are present in our body, that is included in this PNS, peripheral nervous system, and we have mainly two types of nerves are there. First cranial nerves, second spinal nerves. As name indicates, these are the nerves. The cranial nerves which are arises from brain is known as cranial nerves, and the nerves which are arises from spinal cord, that is known as spinal nerves. These are arises from brain, and this spinal nerves arises from spinal cord. Okay, we will see one by one. CNS contains brain. We will discuss all the structure and parts of brain as well as structure of spinal cord in upcoming videos. We will just look out what is the T diagram which containing human nervous system, and somatic nervous system and autonomous nervous system under the peripheral nervous system. In this somatic nervous system, this nervous system acts or controls the voluntary movements. Voluntary movements means it acts on the voluntary organs, or the conduction of impulses is from CNS to voluntary organ muscles. And the example is skeletal muscle. Here skeletal muscle is the voluntary muscles which acts or which controls by somatic nervous system, while in autonomous nervous system, again this autonomous nervous system consists of two parts, first and second, that is first here sympathetic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, and second parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system. In autonomous nervous system, action or control is on involuntary action or involuntary organ muscles, means conduction of impulses is done from CNS to the, here voluntary organ is there, here involuntary organ is there, that is example is cardiac muscles. Involuntary organ muscles, here example is cardiac muscles, and also glands, from CNS to glands, because these are acted through a involuntary action. So autonomous nervous system is controls the involuntary actions, and it conducts the impulses from CNS to involuntary organ muscles as well as glands. Here in sympathetic nervous system, the energy is consumed and it controls or it works during the emergency condition. Or it works under a stress condition. And here energy is consumed. Energy consumption is there. While in parasympathetic nervous system, it works under a normal condition. And it brings the stress condition or emergency condition to the normal condition. It brings the body from stress condition to the normal condition. And here energy is not utilized. Here energy is conserved. G is conserved here. So parasympathetic nervous system is energy conserving process, while sympathetic nervous system is a energy consumption process. Consumption of energy is done here. So sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system works opposite to each other. These two systems works opposite to each other. Okay, we will move toward the cranial nerves here again. Cranial nerves or nerves. Nerves are according to their nature or from where they arises, there are of two types, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. But according to their function, what the function they perform, they are of three types. One, that is afferent nerves. Second, that is efferent nerves. And third, mixed nerves. As name indicates here, see what happens with this afferent nerves. Afferent nerves, this brings the impulses from sensory organ to CNS or spinal cord. Bring the impulses from sensory organ to the CNS or a spinal cord. While in these efferent nerves, brings the impulses from CNS to the effector organ where the action should be completed. Effector organ. While these mixed nerves, they shows both the activities, that is afferent nerve activity also there and efferent nerve activity is also there. Means mixed nerves, all the spinal nerves are of mixed nerves. So in this point we will discuss here human nervous system composed of two main parts. First here is a CNS and second is a peripheral nervous system, that is known as PNS. CNS having two main parts, that is brain and spinal cord, while PNS also composed of two main systems, that is somatic nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Here somatic nervous system is controlled by voluntary movements, or the conduction of this type of nervous system is from CNS to the voluntary organ muscles, and the example of this is skeletal muscles. While in autonomous nervous system it is involuntary action, it acts on the involuntary organ muscles and also acts on the glands. So conduction of these impulses are taking from CNS to involuntary organ muscles like heart, they having cardiac muscles, and also CNS to the glands. This autonomous nervous system again having two subclasses, that is sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system, and these two systems work opposite to each other. Means if this is increasing the stress or increasing the body temperature or body energy consumption, then this parasympathetic nervous system brings the body to the normal. So sympathetic nervous system works during the emergency condition or in the fighting condition, this sympathetic nervous system works, and or under the stress condition this sympathetic nervous system works. Here energy is consumed here, while in parasympathetic nervous system it acts in the normal condition. Here energy is not consumed, energy is conserved, energy is stored, energy is not utilized here. So this is whole about the human nervous system. In the next video we will cover the CNS part. Before going toward the CNS, we will have one part, that is CNS or this brain and spinal cord is covered by some protective layers, and that protective layers are known as meninges. So we will discuss meninges first in the next video. So up till, thank you, and watch all the videos and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.